Hi, I'm Benedetta from local Aromas in Italy, and I'm here with my sister Valeria to teach you how to make a typical Roman summer dish called Pomodori col riso.
It's just delicious, so easy to make that you can even make in the morning for dinner. And it's rice stuffed tomatoes. You need these kind of firm tomatoes, and it's nice if they have, what's it called?
The stalk.
The stalk on it. So you need to wash them. You cut a little piece off because you want to take a hat off.
Then delicately with a spoon, you place the pulp inside the bowl. So you want to clean it without breaking it. Then in this pulp you add olive oil, salt, pepper, a pinch of sugar. The sugar is important because it takes away that sourness that some fresh, beautiful tomatoes have. Chopped up parsley, basil, a couple of cloves of garlic, which you can remove after.
Uncooked rice, you place everything in a bowl and you set it aside for half an hour because the rice is gradually going to absorb all the juices inside. Then what's next?
What's next? After about half an hour, you take a serving dish that can go in the oven because this goes directly from the oven to the table. You place your tomatoes, the whole...
You put a little bit of oil in it.
Then you put them nicely inside with the hole facing up. You stuff them with the rice and then you put the little hat back on and you place them all nicely in this.
And why do we have potatoes?
Should be lost without me. We eat them with potatoes. So practically the potatoes are like holding everything together. So you dice up the potatoes so that you sort of fill up the gaps.
That's how they are traditionally. So when you come to Rome, you'll find the stuffed cooked tomatoes with potatoes around it. Then, once it's all ready, you put it in a hot oven, you cook for half an hour, and that's it.
I mean, really, how simpler can this get?
Buon appetito!